Imagine if your car could speak, telling you exactly what's going wrong, what it's working hard at, or what it loves you doing right. Sound futuristic? Well, that's exactly what your OBD-II port does every single second. Most drivers see the check engine light and panic. Others shrug it off. But what if I told you that small light and the port underneath your dashboard are connected to a treasure trove of data about how your car is running, like a digital window into its health and performance? Today we're going to reveal what your car has been quietly communicating this whole time, why it matters now more than ever in a world full of vehicle tech, and how you can tap into that data yourself. What is the OBD-II port? OBD-II stands for Onboard Diagnostics, a standardized system that every modern non-electric car has. It's been a requirement for decades, designed so the vehicle continually checks itself and stores codes and sensor information about performance and faults. This port is a 16-pin connector under your dash. Mechanics, savvy owners, and fleet techs all connect to it to read what's going on inside your car's computer. What data you can access. When you connect a scanner or Bluetooth adapter, here's what you can pull from the car. Diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. These are what make the warning lights appear. Live engine data, like RPM, speed, coolant temp, fuel level, and emissions-related values. System status and readiness reports, so you know if your car has completed its internal self-checks. This is essentially real-time and historical info your car has been tracking through its sensors and control units, knowledge that's been under your nose the whole time. Why this matters today? Today's cars are digital machines with dozens of control units monitoring everything from fuel to emissions to idle quality. The OBD-II port taps into that system in a way you can understand, without dealer-only tools. With simple adapters and apps, you can diagnose issues down the road before they turn into big repairs. You can monitor how a tune-up changed performance, or you can even track data for fuel economy and driving behavior. Real-life use cases. Here's how people use OBD-II data. Find out why the engine light is on. Confirm a repair actually fixed the problem. Monitor performance after maintenance. Know if sensors are drifting before they fail completely. You don't just read codes, you see what's happening inside your car in real time. That insight can save you serious time, money, and worry. Common misconception. Let's clear something up. The OBD-II port itself doesn't magically make your car faster or unlock locked features. It reads data. That's all. What you do with that info, like making smart maintenance decisions, is where the value lies. So next time that little light comes on, don't stress. Think of it as your car sending a message, and now you know how to decode it. The OBD-II port isn't just a connector, it's your car's voice. If this helped you see your car in a whole new way, tap like and subscribe for more smart auto tech content.